Hello, everyone. So we're going to call this Dr. Sears Explains It All for you. And I'm going to go over with you the questions that you had from the assignments that you did last week. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right. So this is class D1 that I'm explaining right now. So first one was the key assessment. And the question was, will we be working with a partner from our school to complete it? And when should we pick our partners? So yes, you will be signing up with partners. I hope that I'll have that done probably in the next 2 days. I have it just about ready for you. And I will create chat groups in D2L for you also. So if you want to chat with your partners in D2L, that can be one way that you can go, or, set up a group me, whatever you want to do. But this case study is different than the case studies from last year. So last year you had to go out and you had to find your own students and you had to do observation hours and all of that. You won't be doing that this year. This year, what these case studies are is actually case studies of fictional students who are based on real life. They're former students of mine, and I will be giving you all of the information you need about the student. So you're going to have test scores, you'll have background information, all of that I'm going to give you. So no worries about that. The Bitmoji classroom, great question. So what software will you be using? You're going to use Google Slides. That's the best way to do your Bitmoji classrooms, but I'll put some tutorials up for you as well. That's on my list for this week. And how should you go about choosing the grade level that's geared towards our Bitmoji classroom? I 100% would pick the grade level you're going to be student teaching in, or you think you'll be student teaching in, because then you can use it next semester in student teaching. I can't tell you how many students, former students of mine, are still using their Bitmoji classrooms from 3 years ago, still today. So please use them. That's why we're doing this assignment. It's meant to be connected to real life, one of our objectives this semester. The co-planning lesson. So will the avatar you're planning with give you a standard to use for the lesson, or do you pick it? I am going to give you the standard. The avatar system already knows, and you will be planning your entire scenario on the water cycle. So there'll be more information coming this week. That's one of the videos I have to make today. So you'll see this outfit a lot. Get familiar with it because I'm making videos today. But yes, you will have your co-planning lesson. I'm going to give you the students with disabilities that will be in your class and exactly what you have to prepare for this. So you'll have everything in advance. The intensive intervention module, there's a worksheet for you to fill out for this. So that is what you will be doing. You won't have a certificate or anything like that for proof of completion. You'll do the worksheet. And that will have your proof of completion. And that's already in the IRIS module folder, which I'm about to show you. And for the group IRIS module, I am completely up to how you present your information. You can do a Nearpod, you can do a poster presentation, you can do a PowerPoint, you can do a Quizlet if you want. However you want to present your information, I am 100% fine with you presenting it. Be creative. It's meant to be, when we do this face-to-face, it was a big poster fair that we did. We had food, it was great. But because this is a fully remote class, I can't require that. So however you would like to present the information is 100% fine with me. If you want to run it by me first, please do. But whatever you'd like to do is good. All right, so that is the presentations. But I do want to show you in D2L where you will find a lot more information about your assignment. So here's your class. I know it's yours because it's D1 right here. Look for that, friends. Go over here to assignment information. And if you go up to content, here is information on all of the major assignments you'll have this semester. So the infographics is here. Here's your IRIS module, the first one. Here's your worksheet. Here's a link to it. Here's where you hand it in. Co-planning lesson, here's where you're signing up. Again, more information to come there. There'll be a video there too. Key assessment, again, here's your information right here. If you go to part 1, it shows you what you have to do. part 2, part 3, and I'm realizing you're missing something there, so I'll go back and fix that. That's why it's always good for me to look as well. Here's your iRisk module, your group project. Here's your sign up. So go ahead, sign up. Case study project coming soon. Bitmoji Classroom here again is your sign up link. So you have all of those there for you. Please pay attention to this module. I did it so that things would be as organized as possible to make sure you have everything you need. All right. Well, that is all for today, friends. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.